My name is Jenna Pilant, and I'm a style-crazed full-time creative living in sunny San Diego. In 2016, my husband and I purchased our forever home, and now, in between balancing my upholstery business, our 4 dogs, and just life in general, I'm going to renovate our home room by room, project by project myself, with some fun help from a few of my friends along the way. And I'm going to share it all with you right here on YouTube. So, are you ready to see a room bloom? Whether you're ready or not, color lovers, today's the big day. The reveal of our home office renovation project is happening right here on Room Bloom. For those of you just joining us, in order to take this space from blah to tada, I had to 1, repair a bad paint job that I actually paid someone else to do back in 2016, 2, smooth an orange peel texture wall flat and hung Andy Warhol wallpaper on it, and 3, also transformed a past its prime free sleeper sofa into a meowing leopard second guest room sleeping option. But that wasn't the only new furniture acquired for this home office space. Nope. Before I actually started this room renovation, I sold my mid-century modern style desk to a fashion designer friend of mine, and then turned around and purchased this rad vintage tanker desk from Rehab Vintage Interiors up in Los Angeles County. Now I know the color may surprise you a bit, but since this desk is the one I use when I'm designing, I didn't want any desk color influencing my decisions. So that's why white seemed like the way to go. But don't you worry your color-loving head, however. I, of course, came up with another solution to infuse pops of color on the desk. Using these multicolored circle magnets my BFF created for me and ordered online. I mean, who doesn't love a colorful polka dot? I also acquired both a rainbow-shaped mirror and sexy filing cabinet from CB2, and this fur bench from an Arizona Etsy shop. All items that will help take this home office space from blah to tada. You'll see in the reveal. But before we go jumping into the big reveal, I need to take care of a few last-minute details. You know, like putting the entire office back in order, rehanging those hilarious Division of Labor prints I got from Fab years ago, staging some random decor items. Oh, there's fingerprints on that mirror. And with 4 dogs running around the house, you can never vacuum that rug enough. All right, yeah, I think that's it. Who's ready to see this home office space fully bloomed into its full rainbow-tastic potential? Because here she is. From the repainted cabinets to the could not be more appropriate wallpaper for Room Bloom, this space is one I cannot wait to work in for years to come. And even better yet, it can also serve as a second guest room option with that reupholstered sleeper sofa. I hope you've enjoyed this 3rd room renovation here on Room Bloom. For an official buying guide to the space, and to see all of its pretty pictures, please visit my design style blog, luckylittle.mustardseed.com, for the home office's correlating blog post. And stay tuned next week for a brand new episode as we kick off the Fall 2019 One Room Challenge. That's right, y'all. I'm getting ready to renovate yet another room here on Room Bloom.